What's the meaning of claret? Claret. Claret.
Claret. Claret. Claret is a term used to describe red wines that are produced in the Bordeaux region of France. These wines are typically made with a blend of grape varietals, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, Petit Verdot, and Malbec. They are known for their deep, rich color, complex flavor profile, and ability to age well. Claret wines often have notes of blackcurrant, plum, and tobacco, with a firm tannic structure and a long finish. They are considered some of the finest and most sought-after wines in the world.